partnership together to pick, to put the pressure on them at the back end there. We all know you can chase, 13, 14 to the back end here. So I think it's just, having to set it up for the next couple of overs.
Can they get this? It's a long way away.
It is a long way away, Paul, Pom, but I still believe, anything's possible at this ground, and we all know it. We've seen it in the past. We just need to get a bit of a partnership and some momentum going here.
Okay, I'll let you get back to your bucket, mate. I see it right there, so enjoy. Yeah, in looking at this, you see South Africa struggle here, and 43 for 4. You say surely they've got to have started better than this. Just haven't been allowed. It's been chalk and cheese in terms of what was delivered by the bowlers first up. In one, you have batsmen who are not searching for bad deliveries. They're just working on making sure they put them away, and they did that brilliantly, Australia. And here you have South Africa's top order searching for bad balls, searching for width, searching for short stuff and not getting it. Out. There's another searching shot, and it brings about the downfall of Faf du Plessis. Further in the mire, South Africa.
Yeah, this isn't ideal for South Africa. They needed someone to be there for a sustained period of time to give themselves a chance. The mainstay, Faf du Plessis, gone. Extra cover was the gap he was looking for. Gave himself some room, but just cut across it. Richardson takes a comfortable catch.